So hello guys, today we'll be discussing about the oral microbial flora after the role of microbes in case of dental caries. Okay, so usually ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो 10 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा जाता है यूनिवर्सिटी क्वेश्चन पेपर्स पे. So we'll be discussing about this. So we'll be discussing about this with the help of like 4 makers होता है. So namely they are like lactobacillus, oral actinomyces, Veillonella species and some oral streptococci. So this oral streptococci, it has like many sort of species within it. Okay, so it contains what streptococcus mutans, sanguis, salivarius and mitis. Okay, so all these things that together have the comprised have been grouped under the oral streptococcus. Okay, so yeah, now we'll be discussing something about lactobacillus. Now this lactobacillus, these are usually gram-positive non-spore forming rods which are going to grow best in micro-aerophilic conditions. So how do we remember this thing? See, हमने यहाँ पे कुछ दिया हुआ, okay, positive sign indicates these are the gram positive and पीछे हमने एक तरीके से रॉड बनाया हुआ, okay, and they are not spore forming, okay, हमने यहाँ पे spore को हमने wrong किया हुआ, मतलब they are not spore forming rod, okay, they are not going to produce any kind of spores, but they are gram positive, but they are rods, okay, so they are gram positive non-spore forming rods, but they grow best in micro aerophilic conditions. Okay, so yeah, so isolation of this lactobacillus can be possible by growing in selective agar medium. Okay, so what is this selective agar medium? Rogosa medium या फिर Emaris agar medium. Okay, so this statement could be understood by reading itself. Okay, so this lactobacillus, it belongs to the genus Lactobacillus itself, and this it includes 1% of the oral flora. It again constitutes what homofermentive and heterofermentive species. होमोफर्मेंटिव में क्या क्या आता है? लैक्टोबैसिलस एसिडोफिलस, कैसी एंड हेटेरोफर्मेंटिव में ब्रेविस और फर्मेंटम. ओके, so these are both acidogenic as well as acidic because they are both acid producing and they live in that acid producing environment itself. Okay, so why they are called as universal etiological agent in case of what dental caries. So इतना हो गया अपना lactobacillus के बारे में. Okay, so yeah, again thing, the amount of the acid produced by lactobacillus is insignificant as compared to the other acidogenic microbes. So this is going to be understood by the statements itself. And second thing is like they are predominantly seen in deep fissures and deep dental caries. Okay, so this is about the lactobacillus. So coming to the next thing, which is called as the oral actinomyces. So what this oral actinomyces, it belongs to genus Actinobacteria. Okay, so remember this thing, what it belongs to the genus Actinobacteria. So same thing, these are gram positive facultative anaerobes and filamentous organisms. Okay, so how do you remember this? We are going to remember this by help of this thing, that is girlfriend friend, मतलब gram positive होता है facultative anaerobes and filamentous organisms. Okay, so just something like this. Now this it includes what facultative anaerobes as well as strict anaerobes. Okay, facultative anaerobes में क्या क्या आता है? एक होता है Actinomyces naslandi and viscosus, and strictly anaerobes में Israeli and Odontolyticus. Okay, so now there are other organisms like Actinomyces plus Rothia. So they have been found in human dental plaque in significant numbers. Okay, in case of occlusal caries या फिर बहुत सारे जहाँ पे plaque पड़ा हुआ है वहाँ पे क्या होता है? So these are the organisms like Actinomyces and Rothia. So they are going to be found in rich numbers, such as the decayed surface of the human teeth and some sound root surface. जहाँ पे plaque accumulate होने लगता है, इन जहाँ पे वहाँ पे decayed surface होता है, root surfaces में बहुत सारा plaque accumulate होने लगता है. So in that decayed regions we do see some organisms which are going to be this thing. Okay, so now Actinomycosis viscus. Okay, so this is a acidogenic bacteria, but हमने यहाँ पे lactobacillus में we saw like this is both acidogenic as well as acidic, but यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Actinomycosis viscosus. So yeah, this is an acidogenic bacteria. Okay, yeah, and also they are going to secrete what? They are going to secrete intracellular polysaccharide, extracellular leavens and heteropolysaccharides. All this thing they consisting of hexosamines and hexose. Okay, so this is about the what oral actinomyces. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to tell this. जिन लोगों को नोट्स बनाना है बना लो. ओके, स्क्रीनशॉट वगैरह लेना है तो Veillonella species. ओके, Veillonella species, these are gram negative anaerobic cocci. So how do you remember this? देखो, एक तो नेगेटिव ये है कि ग्राम नेगेटिव है. ओके, पहले वाला नेगेटिव है. एरोबिक के अपोजिट क्या होता है? एनारोबिक. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ लाइक नेगेटिव पॉइंट. ओके, माइनस पॉइंट. सो So this is a both Violanola species. It belongs to what? Gram negative plus anaerobic cocci, which is found in plaque. Same thing. Okay, actinomyces is also found in predominantly rich in plaque thing, but this is also rich in what? Plaque, and also it has possibility of anti-karyogenicity. Okay, एक property है. These organisms they lack key enzymes which are involved in glycolysis and HMP, and they are also well known for lactate fermenting abilities. Okay, when lactic acid producing organisms they have first colonized Violanola strains, they have increased in the number in dental plaque. Okay, ये statement क्या बोलता है कि जहाँ पे lacto what is that वायलेना स्पीसीज जहाँ पे ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पे क्या होता है, लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में ज़्यादा होने लगता है. सो साइमल्टेनियसली जितना लैक्टिक एसिड फॉर्मिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म ज़्यादा उतना वायलेना स्ट्रेन्स भी ज़्यादा होने लगता है इन द डेंटल प्लाक. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द Violana species. Now coming to the variants of oral streptococci, the first variant what we have is the Streptococcus mutans. Okay, so yeah, this Streptococcus mutans, it belongs to facultative anaerobes, catalase negative, and they are gram positive cocci. Okay, यहाँ पे दो नेगेटिव है, सेम थिंग, एक तो कैटलिस्ट का नेगेटिव है, एक तो फैकल्टेटिव एनारोब है, और एक पॉजिटिव है कि ग्राम पॉजिटिव कोका है. ओके, सो नाउ दिस कुड बी कल्चर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ MSA अगर, दैट इज दी माइटिस सलावरी अगर. मतलब क्या होता है कि अगर माइटिस सलावरी अगर में ये ग्रो होता है, मतलब वी आर गोइंग टू आइसोलेट ओनली दिस ऑर्गेनिजम्स ऑन दैट मीडियम, बाकी जो ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है दे आर गोइंग टू बी डाइड. ओके, Karyogenic strains of S mutants have ability to synthesize insoluble polysaccharide from sucrose. So yeah, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, they are both homoformate और acidic. ओके, लेकिन इनके सब लैक्टोबैसिलस दोनों होता है, होमो प्लस हेट्रोफॉर्मेट, लेकिन यहाँ पे होमोफॉर्मेटिक होता है और एसिडोरिक होता है. ओके, इन्फेंट्स यहाँ. ओके, स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस में क्या होता है कि जहाँ जहाँ पे दांत एब्सेंट होता है ना, सो वहाँ पे दिस ऑर्गेनिज्म विल बी एब्सेंट. ओके, व्हेनेवर द टीथ विल बी प्रेजेंट, सो दे आर प्रेजेंट. ओके, so yeah, mutant streptococci. Okay, so this is a main group which it includes many sort of organisms, variants उसका बोल सकते हो, like streptococcus mutans, sobrinus, cactus, ferus, cricetus and macaque. Okay, देखो streptococcus mutans, sobrinus, they are both found predominantly found in human dental plaque. Okay, now coming to the sanguis. Okay, so यहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव है एक नेगेटिव है, मतलब they are gram positive plus they are facultative anaerobes. Okay, so now this sanguis is a member of what? Viridans streptococci. Now this sanguis has been isolated from subacute bacterial endocarditis या फिर infective endocarditis से carditis से isolated होने लगता है. Now it has kind of like complex serology plus identifiable on sucrose containing media and forms extracellular polysaccharides. Okay, they cause occlusal caries या फिर occlusal fissures. So इसका importance है. Now the last thing what we have is the salivary sanguis and mites. So now yeah, coming to the salivary sanguis, that is it has both what? Facultative anaerobes plus gram positive. Okay, one positive है एक negative है. Okay, plus they are both negative, catalase negative और oxidase negative, and they are spherical organisms. Okay, now this salivary sanguis, they are found in throat, tongue, saliva, but it adheres to the wall of epithelial surfaces and it produces the leaven. Okay, understood, right? Now coming to the next one, which is the mites. They are both gram positive, मतलब यहाँ पर भी सेम होता है, दैट इज एक तो पॉजिटिव है एक तो नेगेटिव है. ग्राम पॉजिटिव कोकस है, फैकल्टेटिव एनाएरोब है, एंड दे आर कैटलेस नेगेटिव, लेकिन यहाँ पे कैटलेस नेगेटिव था प्लस ऑक्सीडेज भी नेगेटिव था. नो दिस इज द वन विच प्रोड्यूसेस सॉफ्ट राउंड ब्लैक ब्राउन कॉलोनीज ऑन MSA agar. ओके, mitis salivary agar. ओके, now this has been associated all this type of caries. Okay, pitine fissure caries, smooth surface caries, root surface caries and deep dentinal caries. Okay, so this is all about the oral microbial flora, right? So yeah, जिनको लेना है फोटोज ले लो. Okay, so yeah, hope you like this video. Okay, thank you.